Here we have a 1936 Jaguar SS. This car is a factory right-hand drive example. This model was the very first SS to be badged as a Jaguar, so historically this is a highly collectible and desirable example. Thought to be only one of 9 left in right-hand drive. Unlike many other manufacturers who were simply building the engine and chassis before sending to an external body company, SS did everything in-house from the ground up. These cars were fitted with a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder engine and powered through a 4-speed manual transmission. This car is super rare and, as you can see, presents in outstanding condition.